So we are going to talk about membership testing, or testing membership in a collection. Now a collection is like a group of items. So it can be a tuple, can be a collection, a list can be a collection, even a dictionary can be a collection. Now, sometimes we need to test if a certain element exists in the collection before we want to apply some operations to the collection. So we use the in keyword. So for example, if I have a collection here, A, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What if I wanted to know, before I do anything, I want to know that there is 1 in this collection. So what I would do, I would say if 1 is in A, meaning that if 1 is in A, print out that the tuple contains 1. So if I run the code here, it's going to the tuple contains 1. So that is how you would do it. Now what if I had a, let's say, dictionary, and it had keys of numbers of 0, 1, 2, 3, and then it had strings 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now what if I wanted to know if the key 2 is there? So I would say if 2 is in b.keys, I want you to print that the dictionary has the key of 2. So if I run the code, it's going to print for me that the dictionary has a key of 2. So that is how you would do membership testing in a collection, as simple as that. Sometimes you need it because maybe you want to test if there's a certain item in a collection before you do a certain operation on the collection. So maybe you got some data, let's say of a group of fruits. Then you want to know if an orange is among the fruits. So if an orange is among the fruits, then maybe you do a different operation. If it's not among the fruits, then maybe you do another type of operation on the data that you have got. So that's how you do it.